Hey guys, it's Kenzie
and Kate.
We're here at the USA headquarters for My Absolute Beauty. We are the master distributors for Elibana and Everlasting Brows. We just wanted to hop on today. I'll tell you a little bit more about myself. I was the training coordinator and administrative assistant when I started here at My Absolute Beauty, and now I am the social media and marketing director here. So I am in charge of all the social media stuff that you see, all of these videos and stuff like that. And Kate and I work really closely together doing all of the filming and live videos and tutorials and things like that. So we thought it'd be fun for me to hop on today and announce our giveaway winner that we did over on our Instagram page. So every Wednesday we do Win It Wednesday, where we give away one of our products. There is no price limit on it. You never know what you might get. It could be under-eye gel pads, it could be a full henna kit. So make sure you're following us over on Instagram at My Absolute Beauty. The winner for yesterday for a precision brow pencil is Rocan. That's R-O-C-A-N over on Instagram. So congratulations to her. She gets to pick one of our 3 colors for the precision brow pencil. So pretty cool, pretty exciting. Yeah, they're great. They're really long lasting,
Really
smudge proof.
Yeah, high pigment.
Yeah, very high pigment, and the pencil itself is really thin, so you can get really nice hair-like strokes on it. So it's great. Yeah.
I like it. I use it.
And now I will hand the time over to Kate. She is going to talk with you guys about plasma pens. One quick thing on that. So on Thursdays we do Trendy Thursday. This doesn't mean that we carry all of these products or that we even have trainings for all of them. This is simply, we do our research during the week and we find trending things in the beauty industry. So whether that's like a procedure or a product, a style, whatever it might be, and then we kind of share it with you guys and look for feedback from you if you've heard about the product, the procedure, if you've done it, what your thoughts are. Yeah,
if you like it, didn't like it.
Yeah, if you offer it to clients already. So we love getting that kind of feedback from you guys, and it especially helps us, it helps the owners kind of know what to bring into the company in the future. If we've got a ton of people asking for the same thing over and over, then they start to look at that and say, yeah, we've got a lot of people asking for brow lamination. I know we've been looking into that a little bit, but nothing's set in stone quite yet. So that's just one thing to keep in mind when we do these things. So for instance, today is on the plasma pen. We do not carry the plasma pen yet.
No, we do not. And we don't know if we will or not.
Yeah, there hasn't really been much talk of it, but again, if there's enough, enough communication in the community of people really wanting it, then I'm sure that would be something that they would, look into and kind of consider. So again, hit us with your comments, messages, emails, whatever it might be. If you ever have anything for me, my email is mackenzie@myabsolutebeauty.com. That's MACKENZIE at myabsolutebeauty.com. And I will hand the time over to Kate now.
Okay, guys, I am just going to talk about the plasma pen like Kenzie said. So basically what the plasma pen is, it's a little device that scientists have figured out that it can rejuvenate your skin and plump it up and tighten it pretty much immediately after you have the treatment. Of course, results will vary depending on your age, skin type, lots and lots of things that you have to consider when doing it and be realistic about the results. But it's basically a fibroblast of plasma. It triggers the skin cell regrowth and the skin cell turnover, and so you get the collagen and elastin, and it's pretty much immediate results, like I said. And like, say you did it right here for if anyone has a little bit saggier, like I wouldn't mind it there.
Like your eyelid?
Kind of, yeah. It can go into your eyelid, but it goes underneath right there. Okay. And then, so the older you get,
so like your brow arch.
Yeah. Okay. The arch and like this. Okay. Right under it. It can start sagging, and so if you get the plasma pen service there, it's like little teeny dots. Basically, we go through and do the treatment area one by one of the spot. And so you almost get like a grid-like looking dots.
Okay, I have seen that, I think, on social media.
Yeah, so you'll see it, people get it here a lot. They'll get it here under the neck. You can pretty much get it anywhere. If you have any stretch marks, they're really great for. Wrinkles, if you want to do your forehead lines, you can do pretty much anywhere where you need a scar fixed or to make it look a little more concealed. Yeah. So things like that.
It's like an instant facelift.
It is, and a lot of people are liking it better than Botox.
How long does it last?
It will last up to 3 years.
That's crazy.
So instant and up to 3 years. And the results, you'll keep getting good results, not forever and ever, but your skin, while it heals and everything is, your cell turnover rate is going, then it's going to heal it and give you more collagen and elastin.
That's great.
Like when you were younger. So, and it's an FDA approved class 1 procedure. So it's FDA approved, which is really great. They have approved it. And so the comfort, it's uncomfortable more for some people and of course the area. So it's mild to moderate depending on the area and of course the person and the pain tolerance. So keep in mind it's not going to be, you know, a day at the spa and relaxing unless, I mean, you like to feel a little pain so you know it's working. I don't know.
It's like a tattoo.
Right. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
Totally worth it.
Totally worth it.
Hopefully.
Maybe not down, you
Not
know,
all tattoos
like a
are
couple
worth it.
weeks down the road or years and you're like, why did I get this?
I know. Oh,
I've got one of those, yeah. But,
tattoos.
yeah, of course, our generation
Like
and the ones below and above too. So yeah, make sure that you are definitely getting all the information. If you plan on getting this, don't go to someone that, I'm sorry Amazon, but don't go to someone that has an Amazon plasma pen.
It's just so sketchy. You never know what you're gonna get.
No, you don't know where it's
Amazon.
made.
If they're a verified seller, if they're
Right.
making it properly. One thing we
Right.
talked about earlier was like the Kylie Cosmetics thing.
Mhm.
A lot of people were taking her products and adding things to them and then selling
Yeah.
them, and
Yeah.
people were coming back reporting that their lips got super glued together and
Mhm.
burning and eyes swelling, and it was all knockoff stuff. It wasn't actually Kylie Cosmetic brand.
Right. And it was sold on Amazon.
Yeah, so just always be so careful about where you buy it from.
Right. Well, anything
Yeah.
that you're putting on your skin, procedures, I've seen.
Chemicals around your eyes,
Mhm. I've seen different.
semi-permanent makeup, you know.
Yes. Someone I know someone that bought some tanner. You know, the airbrush tanning,
Oh yeah,
and it was like they said it looked like beet juice. So that's
How
I
weird.
think really weird out there, but it has
Yeah.
happened, and I would just be very, very careful when purchasing anything on your beauty products, skin, vitamin, anything. Just make sure you're always doing your research. It's just smart and
Yeah.
wise and
Protect
preventative.
yourself.
Yes, protect yourself. Oh, speaking of protecting yourself, if you do want to do the plasma pen, make sure that you are checking your board and making sure that it's okay to practice that in your state or county. Because just like you were saying, henna in California is illegal in some places in California, correct? And
yeah,
then-
so henna, like our henna brow kits, it's kind of a gray area in a place like like California. There are some counties that allow it and some counties that don't. So depending on your state, you should always check with your state board,
Right.
even with your county office,
Mhm.
and just make sure that any procedure that you're doing is legal in your area. So
Yeah.
definitely keep an eye on that. I believe there's a couple of places where tinting is illegal.
California is one of them.
yeah,
With
California.
certain area, I believe. I think.
Okay, so tinting and henna brow, there's specific
the same
areas
thing.
where you can't because it's chemicals around the eyes too much. So
Mhm.
always check with your board, make sure you're good, make sure you have insurance. We offer insurance, it's called Beauty Approval.
Mhm.
It is insurance for estheticians and cosmetologists, and you also get accreditation. So you can check that out on Instagram at Beauty Approval. And shoot us an email if you'd like more information on that. And
You can shoot me an email, myself or Kenzie. It's Mackenzie's is Mackenzie at myabsolutebeauty.com, MACKENZIE.
Yep.
And then Kate is KATE at myabsolutebeauty.com. So I'm the educator here. She's on social media, so you can decide which one you would want the question to go to, I guess, or both of us, either or if you don't know. Yes, so make sure that it's legal to do in your state, county, whatever just make sure you're safe. You don't want any fines, and please don't use the procedure and just buy one and just think you know the procedure. Please
They
take
will
the correct course.
They will come and find you. We've heard it several times of people who actually
Mhm.
have been busted by the state. So they're out there watching. They're definitely doing
They
their
are.
work.
Mhm.
For
And they
sure.
hear about it. People call in, and so
Mhm.
just be very careful with that. And also carry insurance. I'm a strong, strong believer in you need insurance on yourself, so you're protecting yourself. So you just never know.
Yeah.
I mean, you just don't know. Especially if you're not doing patch tests with certain things, with the henna or the lifts, the eyelash lifts, or lash extensions, all of that. Patch testing is definitely recommended. So always protect yourself.
Yep. Yep.
Right. Okay. Is that
All right,
everything?
guys.
Okay.
Yeah, we will see you tomorrow for Follow Friday. I don't know if I'll be joining, but
We'll see if we can get her.
we'll see. Have a good day, guys.
Thanks, guys. See
See
ya.
ya.